Hey guys, it's Adore Kim and I'm back with another video. So today I will be customizing and applying my sister's wig. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and let's get into the video. So I'm starting off with putting a bag over my mannequin head, and this is to protect the bleach from touching it. Make sure when you're doing anything with the wig that you pin it down so the wig does not move while you're working on it. To bleach the wig, I'm using the Quick Blue by L'Oreal, and I'm also using the Clariol 40 volume developer. Use as much bleach that will cover the entire wig. Do not put too much of the 40 volume developer because it will seep through your lace. This is the consistency that you want to see for your bleach, because if it is too watery, then you might over bleach your knots. While applying the bleach to your wig, you don't want to push too hard, just soft and steady strokes. Once you've applied all of the bleach to your wig, make sure to wait 5 to 10 minutes or check periodically to make sure that your knots haven't been over bleached. So I washed the wig with a purple shampoo and also conditioned the hair, and this is how the knots came out. So I will leave all the products I use in the description box down below. Now we're gonna get into plucking. Now I know how hard plucking can be when you first get a wig, because believe me, I just started knowing how to do it. Now what you want to do is keep plucking different areas in the same area that you're in. I'm on the right side, so I started plucking the right side but in different areas. You don't want to stay in one area because you can make that area bald. The purpose of plucking is to have a more natural hairline, so make sure you keep sectioning the hair as you go so you can get rid of the line of demarcation, and don't forget to comb the hair out as you go so you're not over plucking. This is the right side in comparison to the left side, so you can definitely tell when a wig has been plucked. I am using the same technique that I used before and plucking a different section. So I am going to keep plucking, and I will finish plucking off camera as well. So guys, after plucking the rest of the wig for about 10 minutes, this is the finished product. Now it's time for applying the wig. This is my little sister Brenda, and I am using the bald cap method, so I'm going to start off with putting makeup that matches her skin tone. So guys, while cutting the cap off, one side decided not to stick down, and if that happens to you, I'll show you how to fix it. As you can see here, I'm using foundation. I'm also going to be using Got2b spray to spray it down, and I'm going to be using a blow dryer so the wig looks more natural when it's being applied. So to fix the wig cap, I basically pulled the side down that went up, and it's already sticky, but to make sure that it stays, I use Got2b spray and I blow dry it again. So for applying the wig, I am using Ghost Bond, and I'm only going to use 2 layers, as you will see soon, and this is because she does not want to wear the wig for a long time. If you do want to wear your wig for a longer period of time, definitely use 4 to 5 layers of the glue. So before pulling your wig down, make sure that the glue is clear, because if it's white, it will show through your lace. So here I am spraying Got2b spray, and I will be blow drying it just for a better application. While blow drying her head, I am pushing the comb down on her lace. While cutting the lace, I did use scissors to cut it in half in the middle, and I will be using an eyebrow razor just for a more smoother finish. I'm now using a styling wrap just to make sure that the wig lays flat. style the wig, I'm using a mixture of water and leave-in conditioner, and I'm also going to be using mousse in order to define her curls. I'm using a hair beeswax in order to make her parting look more natural. So now we're on to baby hairs. Now if you really want to mold your baby hairs down, definitely use mousse. So I know doing baby hairs is definitely a struggle, and something I learned is that you definitely have to pluck it out a little bit so it looks a little bit more natural. Again, I'm going with the hair wrap, and this is to mold the baby hairs down onto the lace. You can let it air dry, but I personally use the hair dryer because I want it to go a lot faster. So guys, that concludes the video. As you can see, my sister loves the hair. Subscribe if you haven't already and like this video. Also, comment anything else you'd want to see on this channel. Again, thank you so much. Bye.